approval this week is not certain, but I believe approval eventually is inevitable.
The former SEC chair just said this about a spot Bitcoin ETF and is Injective about to have a massive sell-off. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, Altcoin Buzz IO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Altcoin Buzz Alpha is proud to say that we now have a winning portfolio spread among different sectors. We're also very well positioned to get into good IDOs. What about airdrops? Check the number of airdrops we've received until now. Add to that the original Celestia airdrop and more coming. We've achieved all of this by giving many deep research, diversified calls. Check out our numbers in December. We now plan to reallocate profits to low caps, diversify to new sectors, get bigger airdrops, catch latest trends like Bitcoin and Lena inscriptions, and DCA during market flushes. We've also recently introduced a yearly subscription on Patreon. If you subscribe to our yearly plan, you get 1 month's membership completely free. Check out Altcoin Buzz Alpha with the link down below. Bitcoin starts the second week of 2024 at a key moment in its history, one of which may shape Bitcoin price action for a long time to come. The United States is due to decide on its first spot Bitcoin ETF, with a decision due by January 10th. The event comes after months of buzz, uncertainty, and years of failed launch attempts. Former SEC Chair Jake Clayon believes these three things are necessary in order for a Bitcoin ETF to be approved.
Well, that's great. The disclosure has to be right, okay, so that people understand what they're buying. The second thing is the underlying trading market has to be efficacious. It has to be of a quality that manipulation, the type of just bad behavior that you don't want to see in an underlying trading market is eliminated or at an acceptable minimum. And then lastly, and this is very important here with the digital asset, the pipes have to work. The product itself, the custody, the create, the redemption. Kate talked about authorized participants and the arbitrage and how this product actually functions. That has to work. So the SEC has to have gotten comfortable that all those things are going to function as they should. I've said many times when I was chair of the SEC, I was concerned about that underlying Bitcoin trading market.
In the background, another Bitcoin countdown is entering its final stages. This is the path to the next block subsidy halving, which is estimated to be in exactly 100 days. The event will reduce the block subsidy or block reward earned by miners per block by 50% to 3.125 Bitcoin. On-chain analytics platform CryptoQuant wrote, even though Bitcoin's anticipated spot Bitcoin ETF captured most of the industry's airspace, another value driver might actually occur before the spot ETF launch itself. That driver obviously is April's halving. Bitcoin miners face implications when it comes to profitability as a result of the halving, but so far, data shows ongoing reductions in their Bitcoin balances. According to on-chain analytics firm Glassnode, Bitcoin held in miner wallets currently amounts to 1.819 million Bitcoin, down from 1.827 million Bitcoin at the start of December. And at the same time, technology firm MicroStrategy, which already holds the largest corporate Bitcoin treasury of any public company, tends to increase purchases in the run-up to the halving event. Trader Rec Capital also wrote on X saying, historically, Bitcoin tends to perform its pre-halving rally 60 days before the halving event, which means if Bitcoin is going to perform a deeper correction during its pre-halving period, it should occur over the next 40 days or so. If that is the case, we could see lower Bitcoin prices in line with ETF news sell-off over the next 40 days, which could be a great time to add more spot positions. Also, make sure to check out Randy's TA video on our Altcoin Buzz trading channel to see his thoughts on trading this news. Our partners at the Dao Maker Launch Pad have just announced Dao Maker 2.0. They recently wrote on X saying, faster, smoother, simpler, refundable, and open to everybody. The first IDO, GameGPT, with the dual token. The total raise is 600,000 DAO and refundable after 7 days. Connect your wallet and contribute. GameGPT, developed by Prism Games, represents a significant evolution in blockchain gaming. It's designed to offer an unparalleled suite of on-chain gaming tools and experiences tailored for the modern gamer. GameGPT offers an arcade experience where GameGPT introduces a range of blockchain minigames accessible with a simple click. The platform eliminates the hassle of token and wallet setup, ensuring that blockchain gaming is not just innovative, but also fun and straightforward. It also has community challenges, where the platform allows players to engage in community challenges and wager on popular Web 2 and Web 3 gaming titles. Gamers have the flexibility to create their challenges and even share a portion of their winnings, enhancing engagement and interactivity. On top of that, they have game development tools. GameGPT is not just for playing games, it empowers gamers to become creators with its AI-powered game studio, where users can develop their on-chain minigames, all within a single integrated hub. This feature democratizes game development, allowing both novices and experts to contribute to the gaming ecosystem. In addition, it also has a simplified wallet integration. Recognizing the complexity of traditional wallet setups in blockchain gaming, GameGPT introduces a one-click secure payment system. This simplifies the process of paying and playing, making blockchain gaming more accessible to a broader audience. Check out Dao Maker and their new IDO GameGPT with a link down below. Layer 1 blockchain Injective is gearing up for the final phase of its token unlocks. According to token unlocks on X, Injective would be fully unlocked by January 21st. With 3.66 million tokens set to be released, the unlock would mean that 100% of the total INJ supply would be in circulation. Furthermore, the token unlock would give market participants who have missed INJ's impressive run to have a share of the cryptocurrency. At the time of writing, Injective has shot up from $37 earlier this morning all the way up to $41. But it is noteworthy that the cryptocurrency's all-time high was $44.61 on December 26. According to CoinMarketCap, Injective's all-time low was 65 cents, indicating that the price has increased by 3,500% since its launch in 2020. As a result of the token unlock event, some market participants believe the cryptocurrency could be ready for another rally. One example of the predictions was from analyst Captain Fabic. According to Fabic, Injective had formed a bullish flag and could be on the cusp of a rise above $60. From the chart shared by the analyst, the token had formed two rallies joined by a brief consolidation period. Binance has just announced XAI Games as its 43rd launch pool project. XAI, a gaming blockchain built on top of Arbitrum as its first Layer 3, is designed to onboard traditional gamers to Web3 gaming. XAI empowers traditional gamers to participate in open trade, allowing them to trade in-game items in their favorite games without the necessity of interacting with crypto wallets. The XAI network is open and decentralized, enabling anyone to operate a node, receive network rewards, and participate in governance. It solves a few key problems such as scalability, as the Layer 3 technology enables scaling to hundreds of millions of users without sacrificing interoperability, composability, and security. It also fixes gas fees, as XAI mitigates the issue of gas fees in blockchain gaming by leveraging an innovative gas subsidy contract, completely eliminating gas fees and making in-game actions low friction for players, fostering the growth of the blockchain gaming ecosystem. And on top of that, it fixes one of the main issues being wallet interaction hurdles. XAI addresses friction hurdles for traditional gamers by seamlessly integrating cryptocurrency wallets into the backend of the crypto gaming experience, managing them on behalf of the players to streamline onboarding and usage. As Binance Launch Pad projects tend to do well, we'll have to keep an eye on this one in the future. The Stacks token price is moving above an important resistance area, and it's creating its 8th consecutive weekly bullish candlestick. The increase starkly contrasts the altcoin market, which suffered a significant correction during the past 3 days. Stacks is without a doubt the undisputed leader of Bitcoin Layer 2s. There will be more activity around Bitcoin even without an ETF. El Salvador was the first but won't be the last nation to adopt Bitcoin as a form of legal tender. Institutions look like they're coming to Bitcoin, some are already here, but even if not, nations are coming in and so are more retail. The Bitcoin blockchain can only absorb so much of this activity, so that's where the Layer 2s come in. Some, like Stacks, have their on-ramps even for fiat money, but all of them alleviate some of the pressure on the Bitcoin chain to handle all these new transactions. Stacks is already the leader among Layer 2s, and that's no accident. They've been way early to the trend, and now they're in a position to take the best advantage of increasing demand for Bitcoin and Bitcoin blockchain space. In mid-December, Stacks started its liquid stacking program. They can't call it staking because there's no staking for Bitcoin. You can't stake something that's proof of work and not proof of stake. But here's the important part, it does let you earn on your Bitcoin. Earning 6% on your Bitcoin is an amazing return. Then you have the liquid staking token STSTX, which already has a market cap of $500 million. That's a lot of volume floating around looking for ROI. Stacks could easily become the Lido of Bitcoin, the liquid staking layer. Last week, Stacks experienced a flash crash, which was seen with the rest of the cryptocurrency market. However, the price created a very long lower wick, validating the previous resistance as support. Then it closed the weekly candlestick bullishly and resumed its increase this week. So far, Stacks has reached a high of $1.95 this morning and is still climbing. This is the highest price since March of 2023. We also just wrote an article and made a full video on Stacks, which I'll put in the link down below. That's it for our Altcoin Buzz News update. I'm Roscoe Buffington. Thanks for watching.